Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we will discover together how to operate the cruise control function on Massey Ferguson telehandlers. This video is intended for vehicles equipped with the 7-inch touchscreen and the Dyna-CT transmission. First of all, the cruise control function allows you to maintain and easily adjust a set speed. However, it does not memorize the speed. To use the cruise control function, the operator must be wearing their seatbelt, and the creeper function must be deactivated. Once these conditions are met, the function can be activated using the button to your right. This will pre-engage the function, and the icon will appear in white on the screen banner. If the icon flashes 3 times and then disappears when the button is pressed, it means one or more activation conditions have not been met. For example, if the seatbelt remains permanently buckled without a driver seated, the function will not activate. With forward gear engaged, reach the desired speed using the accelerator pedal. Once the desired speed is reached, press the plus button on the joystick once. The cruise control icon will turn green to indicate it is active, and a speed marker will appear at the bottom of the screen showing the cruise speed. This function can be adjusted in 1 kph intervals from 1 to 40 kph. Once engaged, the set speed can be adjusted using the plus and minus buttons on the joystick. There are several ways to disengage cruise control. Press the brake pedal, change driving direction, or press the cruise control button to turn off the function. The icon on the screen will return to white, indicating the function is no longer active. Now you know how to use the cruise control function. It's your turn to try.